Hello, welcome back to the channel. You can tell that I'm making this video immediately after my last video. So what is new in my closet pants edition? My name is Eva and this channel is on fashion. How are you and how have you been? Let me know in the comment section. For the longest time now, I am talking years, I have owned just 3 pairs of jean pants and they have served me. Even though I am not really a jean pants kind of girl, I have decided to explore that part of me. For that reason, I have gotten 4 more pairs of jean pants, and in today's video, I'm going to show us them and I'm going to style them one way each. So stay tuned for that. I am going to start off with my least favorite one. It is definitely this one. There are a lot of things that are going on with this. I have worked on this, yes, because it is way too big. I think it's a size 14 or so. Now I size up for my pants majorly because I want all of them to be high-waisted. Now whatever the other problem, I think I can fix them on my machine, but you cannot really fix a short crotch. I have a long torso, so it is important that all my bottoms are high-waisted. It comes with elastic at the waistlines. I have taken so much of the pants in and it still does not sit right on me. Let me put it on and show us. This is what it looks like on me. I have worked on it so much so that the back pockets, they are almost touching. I'm still going to try and salvage it. I don't mind stitching the pockets short. If I try and I'm not able to salvage it, I am going to be using this for errands, market runs, and all of those kind of activities, not anything serious. Anywho, I am going to style it so that we'll see. Because I will do Afrocentric before any other thing, this is how I have styled this. You can see the browns, the Afrocentric vibe in the outfits, and I have also done denim on denim, you know, double denim action. And now the pants doesn't look so bad. I am doing trainers. This whole thing I have going on, it takes your attention away from the pants. You know, it's either in the scarf or in the earrings or on my shoes or any other place but the pants. Now you are looking at everything as a unit. You are not looking at them individually. So you do not see what is wrong with the pants, because trust me, so many things are wrong with these pants. That is the power of styling. That is the power of styling, because it is when you really look at the pants that you find that there are so many things that are wrong with it. I have used a belt to hold it in place so that, you know, it looks like something. But if you really look at it, you'll find that there are so many things that are wrong with it. But as a unit, it's perfect. So what do we think of this look? Denim on denim. This jeans is not like the jeans. It is not like stiff at all. It is more like a softer version of denim material. Anywho, this is it for look 1. On to third place, that would be this Primark one that is dark wash. It is long, though not as long as I would like. This I got in my size, and I got this only because it is skinny. I don't think I own any skinny pants, both denim and tailored, because personally I like a little bit of room in my pants, but this one is skinny, so it is different. Let's try it out. This is what it looks like, although I wish it were longer. It is at my ankle, yes, but I wanted it to be a little bit lower. I may loosen the hem, yeah, so that it can go down a little bit, but other than that, I think it is okay. True to size. Also, it is stretchy. Because it is fitted, there is not much fitting to do. Just sticks to your skin, right? Nothing much. So yeah, let us style this and see. This is what I have done. I have switched out the earrings. I have brought in my white clutch, my shirt from my previous video, my very old waistcoat. Yes, and also I did a maxi shirt because it is a skinny pants. Something that you can do for your outfit to be balanced is to mix oversized and skinny. You can either have skinny on top, oversized at the bottom, or skinny down, oversized up. Yeah, that is one way you can balance your outfit. I also have a video on tips with which you can balance your outfits, so you can check that out. I have brought in my sling bags. This is a very laid back look, but I like it. I can wear this out. Casual, still comfortable in case there is a lot of walking around. You are comfortable doing all of that. But yeah, this is the look. How do we like it? I think this is all age appropriate. Anybody can recreate this, and you are still going to kill it. I am not a Gen Z fashionista. No, my style is millennial. If I were asked to choose, I like the 80s, early 90s fashion. There is something about it. But this age, how they dress, it is not my cup of tea. But sometimes I try to incorporate it in one or two places in my style, so that I can stay trendy while also staying true to myself and my sense of style. So yeah, moving on second place we have this one. I think this is the highest waisted. The brand, no, there is no tag on it, there is no brand written on it. Okay. The rivets and the buttons are customized and it reads Crossroads. So I would assume that's the brand. This is the thickest of all of them. Let's put it on. This is what it looks like. The high-waistedness is just perfect. Though I took it in a little bit on both sides. It is medium wash, as we can see. So let's go ahead and style it. This is what I have done with the pants. I don't even know how to classify this look. It's kind of giving androgynous, right? Any gender can wear this in this time. So how do we like it? I think the blue top is going very well with the pants, and the loafers I think is a nice touch, because if I had done heels with this, it is kind of to be expected, feminine-ish. This off-shoulder top, feminine, loafers, kind of masculine, so everything blending together. I think all of them, they marry each other very well. I love pairing unexpected pieces all the time. And also, in case you didn't know, pair your off shoulders with white shirts or turtlenecks, and really anything, and just see what you find. Experiment with your other pieces, and I'm sure you must find something you like. On the last piece for today, which also is my favorite, we have this very light washed one. The brand is Beshka. It is my size, though when it came it was a little too big on the waistline, so I took that in, but that was all I did. It is flared. It reads 90s wide, but I don't think it is as wide as, yeah, but it is giving palazzo pants vibe, right? So let us style it and see. This is what it looks like. Don't you just love? I love the length, though when it came it was a little bit shorter than this. I have loosened the hem stitching, and that is why it is at this length that I love. So yeah, it is high-waisted. I like that it is light wash, and I love this touch of rip that is going on here. It is nothing too crazy or too exposing. It is cute. So let us style it and see. This is what I have done with these pants. How cool is this? Now this waistcoat we saw it in my last video, right? And I have decided to pair it with this my off-shoulder top that you have seen on this channel as well. I didn't want to pair the color of my bag to the color of my boots, so I kept them separate, doing their separate things whilst also matching with the outfit. Again, I haven't touched my jewelry. They are still the same thing that I've had on. How do we like it? This is the colorful piece that is tying all of this together. You can find that everything I have on in this outfit is somehow matching with this piece as well. I am going to wear this out because most of the looks that I wear on here sometimes do not make it outside of my room. Though my schedule has been crazy of late, but I am going to try and remember to wear this, right? So, yeah, Bershka did a thing with this piece. I like it. It's beautiful. So, what do we think? Is this your vibe? This is definitely me. So, yeah, this is the last look for today. I want to show us something. I have been saying dark wash, light wash. Dark wash and light wash, you may not know what they are or what they mean. Now, this is a dark wash jeans and this is light wash. Now, something like this you can call a medium wash. You can see the difference in all of them. Now, all jeans are made dark washed, every jean. What gives us this light wash shade is the final step that these light wash ones have to go through to be able to have this color, and that is called bleaching. Now, when all the jeans are made, they select those that they want to make into light wash and they bleach them with chemicals, some of which may be harmful, really. Now, when they do so, what it does is it acts on it, lightens the color, but it weakens the material. So, if you're looking for a jean wash that is sustainable, dark wash is your go to. Let me prove that. You know, I said that I loosened the hem of this light wash one, but you'll find that because it was hemmed, it was folded at this point, the bleach didn't get to this part. So you can see that it was a dark wash denim before it was bleached to give us this shade. So if you didn't know that, you are welcome. That is all I have for us today on this channel. If you got inspiration, if you learned something new, please give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to see me again, please consider subscribing. Also, if you like my style, and also hit the bell icon so they tell you whenever I put up a new video. The next haul we are going to see on this channel are going to be haul of things that I made. I already have fabrics right here to get to work, but when I'm done, I am going to bring them and show them to us. Something like these shorts that I have on. These shorts that I have on really is new. I made this months ago, sometime mid last year or so, but I haven't worn it. This video and the last video is the first time that I'm wearing this short, so you can say it is new. So my next haul is going to be on things that I made, so stay tuned for that. And thank you so much for watching up until this point. My name is Eva and this channel is on fashion. Have a good day now. Bye.